Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish and I'm sharing three stocks with interesting chart setups to focus on for short term to medium term portfolio. The first stock that I'm going to discuss is Apple India. Apple India has been well placed and on a weekly chart after a good consolidation is ready for an upside breakout. The second stock that I'm going to discuss is Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland after a good consolidation breakout and retesting the breakout zones and is ready for an upside momentum for medium term to short term portfolio. The third stock that I am going to discuss is ABFRL. ABFRL after a good consolidation and correction is ready for a consolidation breakout and looking hot for short term to medium term portfolio. I believe our market updates is helping the viewers in investing and trading decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights.